Previously.
So that is my Disney savings challenges, sinking funds, whatever we want to call it. Let's see how much money we have left. We have 20, 40, 60, these 20s, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 10, 15. So we have $115 for savings challenges. I currently have 3 savings challenges that I am working on. So I will explain those to you. The first one I'm going to start with is my 100 envelope challenge. This tracker form, whatever, was created by the Budgeting Sisters and will be on our Etsy shop once the Etsy shop is up and running. Basically what I did is I didn't want to spend money to do a huge savings challenge like the 100 envelope. There are some great kits out there that you can buy, plastic boxes that come with individual envelopes that are all pretty and colored, and they are amazing. And I definitely would love to have one. But I decided that I was going to do this savings challenge on the cheap without it costing me any money. So I just got 100 envelopes and I numbered them 1 through 100 in the top right corner, and I mixed them up. So I just have been randomly grabbing 1 or 2 depending on how much money I can spend. So hopefully we don't get too big of a one today. This is my box that I keep all the ones in that I have filled up so far this year. 2, 4, 6, 8, looks like 9 or 10 of them so far. So let's see what we can get. How about right here? 27. So because I pull all my 1s, we're gonna put 30 in here. We're gonna put $30 in here, and we're gonna color the 27. Now I will say, if I end up having a hard time filling these high numbers, I am going to condense my smaller numbers and fill in the higher numbers. So meaning I would take like 1 through 10 and move it to whatever number it comes up to out here and put the envelopes 1 through 10 back in the box for me to draw from. But since I'm gonna just leave it right at the 27 this week. So we've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 so far. So my goal is to do this in a year, but if it doesn't happen, that's fine. The 100 envelopes will equal $5,050 when completed. So that is savings challenge number 1 that I am doing. Savings challenge number 2 is the penny challenge. This is a penny every day for 365 days. So my totals here are by week. So let's see, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 60. Let's do, okay, I'm gonna do $15 And I am going to color the 1449. I'm behind on this, and the 28. And then if I have any money left over after my last savings challenge, then I will see what I can do here. So let's see, we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, $35. That is amazing to me. Definitely need to get caught up because we are probably 4, 8, 9, 10 on week 10 or 11 of the year, and I've only done 4 so far, but I've done, you know, a couple of the ones that are like halfway through. So that's exciting. And this tracker savings challenge is also one that was created by the Budgeting Sisters and will be in our Etsy shop once it's up and going. So we'll put that back in here. And then my favorite savings challenge that if you watch any of, say, any other YouTube pages that are doing savings challenges, everybody is doing this. So I had to jump on the bandwagon and buy it. Shut the Box by Reinventing Renee. So what you do for this one is you roll 2 dice and you color in whatever 2 dices you can until you can't color in anymore. And then whatever boxes are left, you need to save that amount. So we have $70 left. So let's roll the dice. We came up with 7. I think I actually said you had to color in 2. You don't. You can color in a 7. So I'm going to color in the 7. And this savings challenge I laminated so I can use it multiple times. And 9. So we'll color in the 9. I love this savings challenge. Sometimes during the day when I'm working my day job, so we got 10, we're gonna do an 8 and a 2. I'll be like, let's play Shut the Box and see. And then if I just see what I get, you know, I don't put any money in. I'm just like, let's roll the dice and see. Let's just fake play because it's fun. 6. I got all the big numbers out of the way. And another 6. So I could do, I can only do the 5 and the 1. We're getting close to not being able to do any of them. So my intention for the Shut the Box and the Penny Savings Challenge is to put that towards my debt. When I'm done with the challenge. 9. So I am done because all I have is 4 and a 7. So now I have to put $7 aside. So we'll put the 10 aside, and I'm just gonna keep track on my little paper over here that I owe $7. And let's play another game. 12. So we'll do 9 and 3. That's the first time on this card that I've been able to color in the 3. Let's roll again. And we got 6. So we'll color in the 6. So all of my savings challenges are gonna go towards my debt payoff, which I am going to be doing a debt update at the end, well, the beginning of April, I believe it is. It's going to come out. 35. Ooh, don't tell me I'm already done. I am. So I've got 8 and 7 and 4 and 2, $21. Whoa. All right. So we've got 21 and 7, so we've got a total of $28. I've got 40 left. Let's play one more game. And then whatever we have left, we will put into the penny challenge. So let's color in a 4. I don't know why I keep putting the cover on that. 11. I'll do 9 and 2. I really like these savings challenges. I wish I had income every week so that I could do them. We're gonna do the 7 and the 3 for 10. 5. Oh, and a 4. So we're all out. So we've got $14, $15. So 15. So we've got 15, 21, and 7. It's 43. So I've got 45 right here because I don't have ones. So I'll grab my envelope here for Shut the Box. And Shut the Box. Ooh, it actually has ones in it. I'm going to take those ones out. It must have been. Take those out, and now I'm going to put that other 5 in there. So Shut the Box has 20, 40, 60, 65, 70. Wow. That's exciting because 4 more times, no matter what, this will pay off a debt, which is amazing. So that is it for Shut the Box. And again, Shut the Box is from Reinventing Renee, who is on YouTube and Etsy. So let's go back to the Penny Savings Challenge. We have $20. Now, do we want to do a bunch of little ones, or do we just want to do the 1988? Let's do the 1988, because my worry is if we go in order, same thing with the 100 envelope challenge. The reason why I didn't go in order was I didn't want all the big ones left for at the end of the year when I'm trying to pay for Christmas and do things for the holidays. So let's just color in the 1988. Oops, I got a marker all over me. And so that brings the penny challenge up to 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, $55. Oh my gosh. Like, I am so shocked at how much just taking a little bit out adds up. And if I wasn't doing these savings challenges, I would just be spending this money on stupid stuff. Probably eating out because I don't like to cook. But instead, I'm doing these savings challenges, and they are going to go towards my debt, which is so motivating that I am trying really hard to not spend my grocery money. I mean, I stocked up on so much food when I got my bonus, and everything that I needed. So I really hope that I can continue to just plow through these savings challenges. It's so awesome to see progress and to know that I'm saving this money, and when this savings challenge is over, it is going to go towards debt. So that is it for my savings challenges. Those are the 3 that I am doing right now. I'm sure eventually I'll get into doing more than 3 at a time, but for right now, I just want to focus on these 3. The 100 envelope challenge is going to take me a long time, and it's going to accumulate a lot of money. So I want to do that. I want to make sure that gets done versus spreading out the money through 10 or 15 savings challenges at the same time. I want to be able to focus on the 100 envelope challenge. So this is where my savings challenges is at. I hope you enjoyed this video. You're going to see this type of content coming on at least bi-weekly, if not a weekly basis from the Budgeting Sisters. So comment, like, subscribe, hit the bell so that you get notification when we upload videos, and comment below and let me know what you're doing, what you're saving for. I look forward to chatting with you in the comments. Have a great night.